Hi dear friends, this is your beloved friend Virendra Dr, and it's a great moment in my life to be with you, because the very purpose of my life to be useful to you, to be productive to you and do some great service to you, so that your life will be full of abundance. You will have a sound physical health, a positive mental attitude, harmonious relations with entire humanity, freedom from fear, worries and anxieties, hope for your future greatness, lot of belief and faith in yourself. And when you become so great, you will always try to share all your greatness with everyone, willingness to share every greatness with everyone. And you will only do what is interesting to you. In your life, you will not do something which you do not like. Because if you do something which you don't like it is not in your heart, you will not become great. So select a profession or any kind of purpose which really inspire you to do more and more, work more and more, means level of love that is called. And be open-minded. Don't be just saturated in your mind, because unless you are open-minded, great ideas will not come to you. So keep your mind very open, and then self-discipline and self-control. That is very, very essential to become great in life. Self-discipline, self-control, a balanced mind means a thinking mind. When you speak something, you must think. When you act something, you must think. And you should be very careful that what you want, is it right? Is it judicious? Is it very much beneficial to you and also helpful to the mankind? So your success depends on doing things which you like very much. At the same time, it is not going to cost somebody's peace, prosperity, happiness or anything else. Because you are also a great instrument. You are making the world much better and much better and much better. So as my duty is to serve mankind, you are my children, so your duty is to serve mankind. So this is a series, a chain of action. I am generating one great after another, great after one other great. So lot of Vivekananda is spreading, sisters and brothers of America. So he will tell the world is my family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, I will make everyone happy. So self-discipline, self-control is very, very important. Also there is that you have to understand people, your own intelligence, your own wisdom, to understand people. That is very important. And last, you should have lot of wealth, lot of money, the best cars, the best house, the best people around you. Okay? So in that context, how you will get this? What I narrated, this is the riches. This is a real wealth in life. This is a real wealth in life. See, the money is coming at the bottom. I have narrated 12 points, which has been told by Dr. Napoleon Hill. The real money is last. What is most important? The sound mind and sound body. That is the real wealth on earth. The state of your conscience and the state of your health. They are the real true riches on this planet earth. If you think great, you become great. So what is that secret? Well, the secret is you have to recognize the power of your brain. You have to recognize the power of your brain. Because intelligence is only the discriminating factor. Nothing is that important in life. See, there are a lot of people who are very rich, they are scientists, they are all, everyone great. Why? Because they understand the power of their brain. Everyone is blessed with this power of brain at the time of their birth. So those people who recognize the power of their brain and embrace it and use it by having some desire in life, what you want to become, then deciding and instantly starting, not procrastinating, and also with a lot of belief and faith that whatever I am deciding and desiring, I will achieve it because I have been blessed with the God-gifted power of the brain. So everything is possible for you. And then you have never to quit. You have to continue your journey till you have attained your goal of life. That's what Vivekananda said, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. So you have to continue. But remember, dear friends, once you are having a great goal in life and you are struggling, achieving, you will meet with lot of difficulties, lot of failures, lot of impediments, obstacles and hurdles. So don't be just, disturbed by this. Don't be just be disturbed by your failures. Because, every failure is a step towards the great success. If you are not ready to fail, you will never succeed in your life. That's why it is always told, failures are the, footsteps towards your great success. So be ready to fail. Because failure also comes once your plan is not proper. So see what is the plan, where is the mistake you have done, and accordingly you proceed, and definitely you are going to succeed in life. Now you will tell how big I can become or how small I can become. That is up to your thinking power. You are gifted with the power of the brain, which has no boundary, there is no bottom, there is no limitation to the power of your brain. Because whatever your brain can conceive and believe, the brain can achieve for you. The brain is a wonderful instrument. The greatest scientists of the world have not used more than 10%. Einstein never used more than 10%. Napoleon, Alexander the Great, they never used more than their 10% of the power of the brain. So you can be one, you can be another who can try to exceed those limitations. So everything is possible for the brain. But give him the task, give him the job, demand from your brain what you want from the brain, and always keep on demanding. Means persistent thought. The thinking should be continuous. It should not be just one. Now you are thinking, then another idea has come, another idea has come. No, stick to your one task at a time, and you are going to be successful. Dear friends, I just let you know the power of your brain, your intelligence, your positive mental attitude, and your creativity of the brain. You can become what you think about. But just concentrate on your thought. Truly, thoughts are things and powerful things are that. Truly, thoughts are things and powerful things are that when they are mixed with definiteness of purpose, persistence and burning desire for their realization towards your coveted aim of your life. You can become what you think about. You are born great. Believe in your greatness. Your greatness depends on the degree of your action, degree of your imagination, degree of your dreaming power. Because remember, I bargained with life for a penny, and life will pay no more. However, I begged in the evening when I counted my scanty store. Life is just an employer, gives you what you ask. But once you have set the wages, why you must bear the task. I worked for a menial hire only to learn dismayed. Whatever wage I could have asked of life, life would have willingly paid. Demand from your life as much as you want. It depends on your capacity, the believing power, the asking power, and you will be given as per your demand and asking. That's why the great Christ said, with belief and faith, you tell the mountain to move from one place to another, it will move. Ask, you will be given. Seek, you will find. And knock the door will open for you. I wish all the best for all of you, my children. And you knock the door of greatness, the door of abundance, the gate of success, because you are another Vivekananda. You are spreading this self-belief and self-confidence in the heart and mind of every Indian. We want every Indian to become another Vivekananda, the enlightened one, the honest one, the truth one, the judicious one. Do justice, everywhere justice. Justice to your friend is a lifelong friendship. Justice to your job, justice to your life, because life is very short. Remember, lives of great men all remind us, we can make our life sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but while their companions slept, they were toiling upward in the night. You are toiling upward. You are great. Come on. May God bless you. May God bless you. All of you are great. And thank you very much. This is a great moment in my life. Thank you very much. This is Virendra Diyar, the little Napoleon Hill, wishing all the success and greatness in your life. I am available at your service. I am a servant of mankind. Thank you very much.